Good afternoon, Rem. Is it okay to introduce yourself? How old are you? How are you? And where are you working? Your full name like this.
Okay po. Thank you so much po, ma'am. Good afternoon. Thank you so much for having me here. My name is Remedios Lorica, 29 years of age, and I've been here in Doha for almost 5 years. Yep. Right now, I'm looking for a job. However, I
Okay.
just finished this um, course that we've been doing for 3 months. In Philippines, we are residing at in Antipolo City.
Oh, okay. Antipolo.
In Antipolo City, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have brothers and sisters?
Yes, we are all nine siblings. I'm the second one to
Mm-hmm.
the family. Yes, and
How many
I'm on the. Mhm.
how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have four brothers and five sisters. We are all five girls in the family.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So your parents are still there in Antipolo.
Yes, ma'am. And actually, ma'am, um, I just grew up in Antipolo. However, my
Okay.
whole family, we stay in Tanay Rizal.
Okay. Mm.
Yeah, we stay there in Tanay Rizal, and I just moved from my auntie,
Mm.
so I
Okay.
stayed in Antipolo since. Yes, po, ma'am.
Okay. Which place do you like better? Rizal or Antipolo?
For relaxation in Rizal, ma'am, because
Okay.
yeah. Because there it's all green surroundings, and of course it's better to live with your family.
Yes, of course. Okay. So let's proceed now to the first question. Medyo mabigat, but you can speak in Tagalog if you want so that you can express yourself better. Okay. So,
Yeah.
what is the most the experience that you cannot forget in your life? Your most unforgettable
in
experience?
my
Yes.
in my life.
Yeah.
Recently,
Okay.
recently the most unforgettable experience I had in
Yes.
my life is joining in admin secretarial class, ma'am.
Okay. Why is it unforgettable?
Yes, it's because I met a lot of people. I met new friends that
Mm.
we are totally in a different personalities.
Yeah.
So yeah, recently that is the most unforgettable moment experience in my life. Mhm.
Okay. Um, what is the happiest moment in your life so far?
The happiest moment in my life um is it's when kapag napasaya ko yung pamilya ko, nanay at
Mm.
tatay ko po. Mm. And recently, recently po, this experience that in uh, in our class, ma'am.
In our class, okay. The one
Yes,
that
in
we
our
because
class.
we had a lot of
Yes, we have a lot of
experience. We had a lot of
ex
activities,
yes,
meeting
ma'am.
new friends and people. Yeah, right. You deserve the score that you get.
Thank you
That's
po.
it.
Thank you po, ma'am.
So, congratulations. And then, sa
Thank
graduation
you po.
natin, so, okay, you need to
Yes.
join. Yeah. So,
Opo, ma'am.
the whole batch should join.
Opo, ma'am.
Yes. Anyway, okay, punta tayo sa loneliest. Ano naman yung yung loneliest experience mo, saddest experience that you have?
Saddest experience. Ah, madami po pero yung pinakang malungkot po na moment,
Mm.
yung since parang sa amin pong pamilya, ako po yung nagtatrabaho sa malayo. So,
Okay.
opo, yung kapag, ano po, um, pag kailangan ko ng kausap, kailangan ko ng nanay, ng tatay.
Okay.
Tapos, syempre, hindi ko po masabi sa kanila kung ano talaga yung sitwasyon ko dito, lalo na nandito po ako sa malayo. So, parang
Oh.
kapag kailangan ko ng kalinga minsan, kasi parang minsan ang gulo-gulo, ganun po. Yun yung pinaka-saddest moment po sa buhay
Mm.
ko.
What are the things that you usually tell your mother?
Ano po, minsan, alam ko naman pong mali. Minsan iniiwasan ko silang kausap. Kasi
Mm.
po kapag halimbawa nasa down point ako, ano, syempre, di minsan gusto kong may kausap, pero kapag kasi nakausap ko sila, kumbaga bubuhos po yung ano ko, yung emosyon ko. So kapag ganun yung ano ko, hindi na lang ako tumatawag sa kanila.
Yeah. So,
Tapos, kapag halimbawa po na nalagpasan ko ng yung gano'n, yun, ready na akong kausapin sila, magsasabi ako ng mga good news.
where did you graduate in elementary and high school?
Oh, uh, I graduated in elementary in Sampaloc po, Sampaloc
Ah,
Elementary School.
oh.
Sa high school, nag-antipolo na po ako noon.
Aha,
Opo,
okay.
gumraduate ako sa Antipolo National High School.
Okay.
Tumira po ako sa tita ko para mas makapag-aral. Opo.
Oo. Ano mga memories mo sa high school na hindi mo makakalimutan?
Memory sa high school.
Yes, maraming mga memories ang high school eh. Give me like one
Opo.
or two memories from high school.
Ito.
Mm.
Ako po kasi, ma'am, nung habang nag-aaral po ako, masyado akong mainipin.
Ah, in what
Along the
sense?
way, opo, along
Oo.
the way, hindi ko po na-enjoy talaga yung high school days ko kasi parang lagi akong rush. Yung kapag halimbawa, pag
Ah,
pasok ko ng second year, ang nasa isip ko na agad third year na ako, ganyan, ganyan. So parang hindi ko na po
you're in a
na
rush to graduate.
opo,
Bakit naman? Kasi you want to help your
opo. So,
family?
opo,
Why are you
ganun yung
rushing?
ganun yung, kasi po alam ko lumaki po ako sa buhay na na open na yung utak ko sa ganitong sitwasyon. Opo, yung ganun. Kaya parang pakiramdam ko, kailangan ko okay, magtrabaho agad.
Ah,
Opo,
okay.
yun na agad yung nasa isip ko. Kaya those time, kaya po nung pagka-graduate ko, hindi ko na-miss. Hindi ko na-miss yung high school life.
When you finish
Yes
your high
po.
school, nagkapag-work ka na ba agad?
Nag-work po ako agad. Tapos, nag, ah, nag-enroll po ako ng college. Tapos, hindi ko rin po natapos yung college ko. Kasi po, those time po nagkasakit ang tatay ko.
Oo, okay. So, college until first year, second year?
First year. First year po, ma'am.
Okay. Then, paano ka naman nakapunta dito sa Qatar?
Sa Qatar. Opo, nakapunta po ako dito sa Qatar dahil sa tita ko po.
Ah,
Parang
okay.
nagtrabaho siya dito for a long time. Mga 15 years na po siya. Tapos,
Nandito siya ang
nagkaroon ng,
kumuha sa'yo.
opo, siya po ang
Okay.
naghanap ng trabaho para sa akin.
Mm. Where is your
Tapos,
tita now? Is she still here in Qatar?
opo,
Okay.
nandito pa din po siya.
Okay, that's good. Okay. First job mo dito, Rem, is?
Ang first job ko po dito talaga ay under company po ako, hospitality company.
Mm,
Opo,
okay.
tapos na-experience kong on-call cleaner, mag-promoter sa mall.
Sales representative. Sales rep.
Opo, yes ma'am. Opo, na-experience ko din yan. Tapos, hanggang sa, nagkaroon din po ako ng opportunity makalabas ng company.
Mm.
Opo, kaya ako nakalipat ngayon. Tapos,
Oh,
after that po, opo, nag-ano ako, nag-join din po ako sa training sa Microsoft para
where?
maging ako sa maging familiar ako sa office job, nag-receptionist po ako.
Okay. Where did you have the
Kaya
training in Microsoft?
that was way back 2020, 2020 po.
Okay, 3 years
Hindi ko na
ago.
matandaan. Inspire.
Well, how many months was the training?
He, hindi ko po natapos. Ano lang, na-consume ko lang yung 2 months. Kasi those time po, nag-aasikaso ko ng transfer ko. So,
Oh, okay.
masyado na po naging busy, hindi ko siya natapos.
Mm.
Pero, na-apply ko naman po siya sa trabaho.
That's good. Okay. What are the good things that you can say about the country Qatar?
Okay, the good things that I can say here in Qatar is it's more safe here.
Yeah, it's safe
100%.
here.
Yes,
Yeah,
100%.
exactly. Correct.
Opo.
Oo.
Mhm. Kasi po, pwede kang lumabas dito, walang gagalaw sa'yo. Wala man yung wallet mo,
Anytime.
may ibabalik nila sa'yo.
Yes,
Opo.
correct.
Recently nga po, opo. Recently, meron ako experience na sa Expo,
Oo.
Doha Expo po,
Okay.
nagbi-visit kami, nalaglag yung wallet ko po.
Okay.
Tapos, may kumontak sa pinsan ko. Yung pinsan ko kinontak po ako. So sabi, yung wallet mo nalaglag sa Saudi Arabian store sa
Okay.
Expo. Tapos parang
Oo.
nagtaka ako paano nila nalaman po yung contact number ng pinsan ko. Hindi ba dapat yung contact number ko muna? Tapos,
Oo. Tapos,
opo. Yun pala, luckily, meron akong resibo sa wallet ko na galing sa Bakala na merong contact number ng pinsan ko na nasa wallet ko.
Okay.
Opo, na-contact nila yon. Kaya po na,
Wala
nung
bang contact number? Wala ka bang contact number doon sa wallet mo? Yung
sa
ID
wallet
mo?
ko po,
Oo.
may ID po ko sa wallet ko, pero
Oo.
wala yung number ko.
Okay, now I remember there was a tip that I read somewhere na in our wallet maglalagay talaga tayo doon ng contact
Opo, ng contact
information.
number.
Okay, in case
Opo,
na
or
mawala
sa
ang
or
wallet like that. Kasi yung ID natin, yung Qatari ID, pataka, wala namang phone number doon eh. 'Di ba?
opo,
Oo,
opo.
so yung contact
Not unless meron
information.
silang tracker. Opo,
Yes, okay. So, good thing talaga, no? Yun lang kagandahan dito sa Qatar, no? Very safe,
opo.
tapos
Safe
secure yung
talaga.
mga gamit, hindi nawawala.
Opo, hindi
Okay, so,
mawawala.
yeah. Okay, give me at least one bad side naman.
One bad side in Doha.
Mm.
One bad side po dito. The only bad side para sa akin po is malayo ka lang sa pamilya.
Yun lang, oh. Yeah. Hindi
Opo, yun
mawawala
lang.
yung mamimiss mo ang
Ah,
family, di ba? Yung
opo. Kasi
homesickness. Pero
dito,
at least nandito yung tita mo. Yung iba kasi wala,
opo.
kahit tita, kahit
Opo,
malayo
wala talaga.
kamag-anak, wala. You're still lucky.
Opo. Opo.
Okay. Any life lessons that you can give to us or to everyone?
Life lesson.
Okay. So
Opo.
far, the things that you learn and the things that you want to say to everyone.
Mhm. Sa ngayon po, laging ang inaano ko surround yourself with people who inspire you to become better, to become even better. Kasi po, totoo po yun. Um, Kailangan mo talagang hanapin yung tamang tao na makakasalamuha mo para sa ikabubuti mo po.
Very nice, Rem. We have to find the right person for us to become better. Okay, very good. Okay, very nice. Last words from, do you want to say something more before we end?
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat, ma'am. Salamat po sa pagtitiwala niyo po, ma'am, at sa tulong niyo po.
Oh,
Isa din po kayo
true.
sa mga nakaka-inspire kasi po ano sa trabaho talagang mahirap makikita kung saan talaga yun, saan ka masaya sa trabaho.
Oo,
Mas
exactly.
na pag nagtatrabaho ka at the same time ini-enjoy mo po yung ginagawa mo.
Mm.
Parang kayo po, ginagawa sa trabaho nyo, pero passion nyo talaga ang magturo.
Oo.
Tapos,
I actually
same
enjoy
time,
meeting people. Each person has his or her own unique experience. Kaya nagkaroon ako ng ano na, mag-study ako ng mga life experiences. So I want to say thank you very much, Rem, for being you, for being one of my students, and uh, we learn a lot from you as well. Lahat ng students ko, 'di ba, yung lalo na sa group natin, yeah, you're correct. We have different personalities and we learn from each other. So
yes
hopefully
po.
makikita pa naman tayo, 'di ba?
Opo, ma'am.
Oo.
Sure.
Thank you so
Opo.
much, Rem. And God bless. God bless on your future endeavors. And see you soon. Okay?
Thank you so much po, ma'am.
Bye,
Same to you
Rem.
as
Okay.
all. Bye po, ma'am. Thank you
Bye-bye.
so much.